The stopper knot. So you may have just barely learned how to belay and your instructor or friend told you something kind of funny. Make sure the rope doesn't run through the end of the belay device or your friend's gonna get hurt. Yeah, it may have sounded stupid, but you were probably stupid for thinking, duh, yeah, I'm not gonna let that happen, when you should have been thinking, how do I prevent that from happening? Ta-da! The stopper knot is your answer. This is how you are going to make sure that when you are belaying, the rope's not going to run through your belay device. A lot of times people wonder, okay, what about using a Grigri? I don't have to worry about a stopper for that, do I? Well, let's just test the theory here. Here's your rope. Here's a Grigri. Let's add the rope like you normally would. Okay, putting it up. And then you hook this onto you and your harness. So, can the rope go through the Grigri? Yep, it can. What about other auto-locking belay devices? Maybe the Mad Rock Life Lock, you ask. I'll show you. Okay, load it up. Hook this to your belay or your belay loop on your harness and yeah, went through. Here's another common belay device. It is the Black Diamond Pilot, which by the way, I did a video on using the Black Diamond Pilot belay device for top rope climbing if you're curious. Here's that video. Right there. There's the rope. And woo, that was easy. Just for fun, let's look at the ATC. This one really should be a no-brainer for you guys, but just as visualize, rope comes through. And one more, this is more of a rappelling device, but you probably have one in your pack. Not surprisingly. Yeah. So it doesn't matter what kind of belay device you use, you need to learn how to make this knot. And it's actually really easy. Take the end of your rope, and it doesn't, you'll get used to the distance and how much you need, but just take a little bit, a turn of it, okay, and you're going to pinch this. Then you're going to take the loose end and wrap it around once, wrap it around twice, 3 times. See, there's 3 loops. Then you're going to fold this one, the loop. So this is the loop you had earlier. You're just going to fold it. Oh, I didn't have enough rope. Let's use a little bit more. Pinch around once, around twice, around 3 times. Fold this loop in and take this end and shove it through all of those loops and just pull. 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 Okay. Now you have this knot. The more you pull on it, the tighter it gets, so there's no way this is going to come out. And now, when you load the rope into the device, attach it to your harness, there is no way for that loop, for this rope to go through this belay device. And that can actually save your friend's life. So learn, memorize this knot and try it out. And just to show you the effectiveness, show it to you on this one. This is why I'm going to show you. Okay, you'll see in a second. All right. Here's a problem, all right? It actually like stops it pretty good, But imagine 200 pounds of weight. It's quite likely that this will come through. So, if you're using the figure 8, first off, stop. I only say that because I witnessed a really bad accident with figure 8 and now I'm terrified of using it. But also, this is not the knot that's going to help with that. There isn't a knot that's going to help with the figure 8. But all these other devices, here's a basic ATC. You can bet your butt that that knot's not going to go through that hole. And that works with all of these belay devices. Okay, we've got the life lock. Not going to go through. It's safe. You're good. So, what about one more? The pilot, just to show you guys that one as well. So you saw it go through the first one. Okay. All right, and ta-da! It doesn't go through. So this is called the Climber's Stopper Knot. It's definitely a must-know stopper knot to be as safe as you can while you're out on the crag. Don't be dumb and think, oh, I'm not going to be stupid. I'm not going to let that happen. Be smart and learn this knot so you can actually do it yourself. Go ahead, grab a rope right now and do exactly what I just walked you through. Hopefully this video was helpful for you, and if it was, give this video a thumbs up and comment below what you liked about it. That way I can make more videos just for you. Thanks again for watching and enjoy your send.